Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. As we had promised that we'll be posting our courses from March 1st, 2021, starting from today, every Monday we'll be posting our courses in our channel. So today we will be posting Advanced Excel course and the link has been given in the description box below. The supporting files, the PDFs, the practice files along with the assignment files which are used in every chapters are also given in the description below. If you want to get these videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Also, watch all these videos, and if you want to comment, please do comment in the comment box. If you feel that these videos are useful, please do share among your friends or those who are actually in need. And these videos are completely free, and even the supporting files and the practice files are also completely free. We will be posting all these courses on every Monday as I mentioned. If you think that you want to get the notification, please do click on the bell button so that as soon as we post the course, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep in touch. Happy learning.